My name is Charles Tran, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Novice Builder.
This could have been my home's foundation, cracked, sinking, and a total disaster. But thankfully, I caught my mistake just in time, and that saved me a ton of money. One wrong move, and my entire project could have collapsed, literally. The foundation is the backbone of my home. If I messed this up, everything from my walls to my roof would be in trouble. Even though I went the DIY route, I knew I couldn't afford mistakes here. So I brought in an expert for guidance. That's when I uncovered 5 critical mistakes that could ruin any DIY foundation. First, skipping soil testing. Second, poor excavation and compaction. Third, incorrect rebar placement. Fourth, ignoring drainage. And lastly, rushing the concrete curing process. If you want a deep dive into these 5 critical mistakes and how to avoid them, I'll be covering each one in detail in a separate tutorial video. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified as soon as it's up. Building a foundation is a precise step-by-step process. Here's how I got it right. I start with excavation. Compacting. Plumbing. Vapor barriers and rebar. The day of pouring. Don't forget to watch my full time-lapse of the foundation process, starting from excavation, soil compacting, plumbing, vapor barriers, rebar installation, and finally, the big day of pouring cement. Check out the links in the description below to watch my complete playlist, or by subscribing to my channel, you'll gain access to all my in-depth tutorials, DIY projects, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming projects and videos.